if it's really important in the day hard on yourself, but imagine now each or any your consciousness. You were not there, it just fall in weakness, right? In the mood period of weakness. Yeah. You were abum a foolish person. I'm on me if I had him weak, abum nonsense. Like, okay, are you your hater? Why you they curse yourself? Why you call on against? You know, ride that wave. Ride the wave. Man, I just know say that time when you want to come outside, then figure go on with it. Instead of to they tell yourself, say you know girls and say you they foolish and start to they beat yourself, which could work for you or whatever. Think about it in more terms. Everything, try think about everything in more. Yeah? Think about it in more terms. Be like, kai kiligo du mo Akaogholi. Akulo ofu ebe ekiri mo. So ano kata kili kata ora. Inwe kili kwa Akaogholi. Yotago, inwe kili kata ora kili kwa Akaogholi. Makwa ka o si ade eputakwa no enodo na Akaogholi a egwu onwe gi agwa si gwagodu chigiji no no yewa chigi na kwa ife anyị na-emekwa kita. Right now we know the optimum DBNS. You understand? Right now I am the optimum DBNS because whatever gift if na answer they do we bring in that way be that moment of weakness, whatever it is we be that answer that or where they bring you that way that thing be the answer, no go fuck with you for that period. If you would like to learn more about being one-on-one with your more, being active, going deep into Igbo spirituality on your own terms, on your own and your own aura terms, you should check out a copy of my book, Igbo More 101. I simplify Igbo spirituality, which is what Igbo More is. Igbo spirituality, you and your spirit, no societal comes between you and your aura. And that's what that book tells you. So check it out. Anywhere you get books, everywhere and anywhere you get books. And please leave us a good review. It helps in pushing the book to other buyers. And also it will convince people to buy it that your niggas are saying is good. Lastly, you want to subscribe to Alci Pablo on YouTube. Follow me on my YouTube because I post longer videos there that I do not post on Instagram and TikTok. For example, my recent video that I titled Iboni Nebo Ofeke. So kindly subscribe and yeah. I've seen